students control over their education and supports students to reach their maximum potential. The implications of my study are as followed. The research question I chose was that using the same apiary science unit of study, what is the difference between applied learning-based lessons and lecture-based lessons on undergraduate horticulture students' achievement using performance-based assessments? A cursory comparison of mean assessment scores indicated students from Section 1 outperformed students from Section 2 by 13 points. Based on descriptive statistics alone, this result indicated that applied learning made a considerable positive difference in student achievement versus lecture-based teaching. The results from the independent samples t-test inferred applied learning using hands-on methods, experimentation, questioning, analyzing, and creating does help students retain knowledge and skills better than just lecture-based teaching. Based on the findings of this study, relevant recommendations include best practices in the teaching of science courses. These should involve hands-on learning, experimentation, and demonstration. Students need to use higher-level thinking skills whenever possible to analyze, question, critique, and create solutions to problems. Recommendations include future research to address the limitations of the study. Future research could address other areas of horticulture science, such as plant propagation, plant genetics and biology, plant taxonomy and identification, entomology, and soil structure. The results of this study support future research involving the field of applied learning. Practical implications of this research are hopeful for science instruction and assessment to utilize applied learning for students to gain achievement in the field. They need to be able to compete in a fast-changing global world. Students need critical thinking skills, communication skills, questioning skills, analytical skills, and creative problem-solving skills. Applied learning allows students control over their education and supports students to reach their maximum potential. Thank you very much for listening.